If you want to change colors in GIMP quickly and accurately, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest ways to shift colors on a single object or an entire layer, replace one specific color with another, and create a smooth color tint using GIMP's built-in color tools. Whether you're editing a photo, making graphics, or just trying to recolor part of an image, these methods are fast, beginner-friendly, and very useful to know. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in GIMP. Once your file is loaded, the best place to start is with color adjustment filters if you want to change the overall look of a layer or an object without manually repainting everything. One of the easiest options is Hue-Chroma. To find it, go up to the top menu, click Colors, and then click Hue-Chroma. A small adjustment window will open, and here you'll see a hue slider. When you move that slider left or right, GIMP smoothly rotates all the colors in your image across the spectrum. This is a great option if you want to quickly shift reds into oranges, blues into greens, or give your image a completely different mood while still keeping the same basic tones and shading. If you want a little more control, try Hue-Saturation. Again, go to Colors, then Hue-Saturation. This tool is especially useful when you only want to change one specific color in the image instead of affecting everything at once. Inside the window, you'll see channel buttons like red, green, blue, and others depending on the image. Click the color channel you want to adjust and then use the sliders to fine-tune just that color range. For example, if you only want to make the reds in a design more vibrant without touching the blues or greens, this is the perfect tool. It's one of the best ways to make targeted color changes while keeping the rest of the image natural. Now, if your goal is to give the whole image a single tinted look, use Colorize. Go to Colors, then click Colorize. This tool turns the image into a monochromatic style based on the color you choose. In the dialog box, you'll be able to pick your target color using the color box or picker controls. Once you select a color, GIMP applies that tint across the image. This is very helpful for creating stylized effects, matching a brand color, or making an image look warm, cool, vintage, or dramatic. If the tint looks too strong or too weak, you can adjust the settings until it feels balanced. Next, let's talk about replacing one exact color with another. This is where color exchange becomes really useful. If you want to swap a specific color across the whole image, go to Colors, then Map, and then click Color Exchange. In the dialog box, click the From Color eyedropper tool and select the exact color you want to replace. Then click the To Color box and choose the new color you want instead. This is ideal for changing things like shirt colors, object highlights, icon colors, or any part of an image where the color is consistent enough to target. After that, you'll see red, green, and blue threshold sliders. These are very important because they control how strictly GIMP matches similar shades. If the threshold is too low, only the exact color changes. If it's higher, more nearby shades will also be included. Take your time and move these sliders until the replacement looks clean and natural. A good tip here is to zoom in while you make color adjustments, especially if you're working on detailed images or logos. That way, you can see exactly how the colors are changing and avoid unwanted edges or strange color shifts. If you're editing a layer with transparency, make sure you're only changing the part you actually want. Sometimes it helps to duplicate the layer first, so you always have a backup in case you want to compare results or undo a step later. So, to recap quickly, use Hue-Chroma when you want to shift the entire color mood of an image. Use Hue-Saturation when you want to adjust just one color channel. Use Colorize when you want a single tinted monochrome look. And use Color Exchange when you want to swap one exact color for another. Once you get familiar with these 4 tools, changing colors in GIMP becomes much easier and much faster. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.